Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you two ways to remove backgrounds from your videos in CapCut. Let's get started. First, we'll use the Chroma Key method. This is great for removing backgrounds from animated videos like subscribe animations and so on. Select the video you want to apply Chroma Key to. Go to the Background Remover section. Check the Chroma Key option. Click on the background you want to remove, and boom! That's the first method. Next, let's move on to the Auto Removal method. This option is perfect for removing backgrounds and cutting out human figures. In the same Background Remover section, check the Auto Removal option and wait for it to be applied. This may take longer based on the length and quality of your video. And boom! That's how you can remove backgrounds in CapCut. Make sure to like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks.